Hello viewers, I hope you are doing well. I started shamanic breathing without listening to any music. After a few minutes, while breathing, I started to feel really cold. There was a lot of tingling in my whole body. My arms or hands are totally numb, tight and hard. My whole body started to become so hard that it felt like it was made of stone. As soon as I stopped doing shamanic breathing, I held my breath inside. I felt really deep peace and healing. The feeling of the body transforms into just a few sensations, flowing energy and arrangements. My mind and body were filled with bliss, joy, and peace. In the end, I was very lightweight and was feeling healed. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.